In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set calendar permissions, both view and edit, in Google Calendar. We'll walk through how to control who can see your events and at what level of detail, so you can keep your schedule as private or as open as you need. This is especially useful if you share your calendar with coworkers, classmates, or family members and want to make sure the right people have the right access. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you see your calendar, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear-shaped icon, which is the settings icon. Click on that gear icon to open the quick menu. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Google Calendar, where you can adjust all kinds of options. We're going to focus on the settings for a specific calendar, so look on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Settings for My Calendars. Under that, click on the calendar whose permissions you want to change. This might be your primary calendar or an additional one you've created for a team or project. Once you've selected your calendar, you'll see a list of options related to that specific calendar. Scroll down until you find the section called Access Permissions for Events. This is where you control how broadly your calendar is shared and what level of detail is visible. In this section, you may see options that allow your calendar to be available to the public or to everyone in your organization, depending on your account type. There will be checkboxes or toggles that let you choose whether others can see only if you are free or busy, or see all event details. To make your calendar more private, toggle off any options that make your calendar publicly visible or visible to everyone in your organization. Turning these off means that only people you explicitly share the calendar with will be able to see it, and even then, only at the permission level you grant them elsewhere in the sharing settings. After you toggle off the unwanted access permissions, your changes are saved automatically. You can now go back to your main calendar view knowing you've tightened up who can view your events and what they can see.